welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything pink, girly, love fashion, decor, and unboxings, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's unboxing. So if you've watched any of my videos, you probably know that this girl is obsessed with handbags. And today I have a very special unboxing on a new handbag. And I'm very excited because I don't have this brand in my collection. So I'm going to unbox it and show you which beautiful bag I got. As always, I will leave you the links and details to this gorgeous handbag down below in the description bar, so you can find it or you can send me a message. This is a affordable luxury handbag. I love bags and I switch them up very often, so I have no problems with getting the real deal bags and then the affordable ones because they're for my own use, my personal use, and like I said, I switch them up so often that I just love to explore all kinds of possibilities. So here it is. This is the box, and this just probably gave out the name and the brand of the purse that I'm going to be showing you. But I've always wanted one of these purses in my collection, which I don't have, and now I do. So I'm very, very excited. And the box itself is really nice. It's a very nice hard box. It has a magnetic closure, which I love when bags come nicely packaged like this. Just like the little details really makes a huge difference. But the box is beautiful. So the inside looks like this. And then on the inside, it comes inside another plastic bag. It also comes with a ribbon and it has the logo all around. And then there is like a little authenticity card as well as a receipt on the inside. So it comes really nicely packaged. There is another dust bag inside the plastic bag. And it looks like this. It just says Dior. Can you guess what bag I got? This is a super popular one, and I got a mini one because I love mini bags. But I got the Lady Dior size 17. This is like a smaller size. I believe they also have like a bigger size, but this one here is gorgeous. So there's another little pouch, and these are dangling charms. Absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed with this little bag. Look how cute this is. On the bottom, it does have little feet. This is the inside. And it does have this little flap, which I actually really like, because if you have things inside, if your purse tips over, it's not going to fall because this flap protects it, which is really cool. The strap is beautiful. It's in that perfect light shade of gold. The little clasp has the logo on it. And this here is pink. It's pink leather and it smells really nice. There's no odor to it. I know a lot of people normally ask about that, if there's any odor to it, and this does not have any. So I'm very happy with it. And look how pretty this is. This is gonna look stunning. And there is another one. Oh, I didn't know this one came with two. So there's two. I'm excited. I had no clue that this bag came with two straps. So this one here you can definitely use as a cross-body strap. This is an all leather strap. Again, it has a little clasp in a light shade of gold. So let me go ahead and take all the wrapping off my little purse, and then I will be right back. Here it is with a chain strap. I do have it directly over my shoulder and it hits perfectly right at the hip area. This is the size of the bag, so you can see the size and the dimensions and how it looks. Here it is with a leather strap, and I do have this on as a crossbody. It hits me probably a little bit higher up than the other one. However, it does look very cute and it gives it more like a sporty look. Here's a close-up of this gorgeous little bag. It has these adorable little charms that say Dior. If you lift up the flap, there is all this space inside, and it does have a separate little zipper compartment in here. So let me fill it up and add some of my everyday essentials, things that I always carry. Of course, I have my phone. I always carry my phone with me, and I can already tell that it is taller than the purse. However, it does fit sideways. So let me put it in sideways. Perfect. I'm so happy. At least it fits my phone. That's one of the most important things. And then of course the next important thing would be my wallet. I have my AirPods. Okay, this is exciting. I am already able to fit a lot of things. Of course, I have my sunglasses. And there's still a lot of room. Believe it or not, this little small bag can fit a lot. So I'm going to put in my hair scrunchie. I don't think I can fit my hair clip. I mean, I can, but it would be really tight, and I'd rather have my keys instead of my hair clip. So I'll put in my keys in there. And then I'm going to close the flap. Yay, it fits. Everything fits inside my new purse. I'm so excited. And I love that it has this flap because, look at this, even if I shake it up, it's going nowhere. So I'm very excited for this. This is amazing. So it's a very, very secure. See? Nothing is falling out, and I'm literally shaking it. So I'm very, very happy that everything fits inside my little bag. So my final thoughts on this beautiful bag. I am so pleased and so happy that I got this purse. I can't believe I finally got a little bag like this one. I've been wanting one like this for a very long time, and I'm just so happy that I'll be adding her to my collection. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I will leave you the links and details down below. So I really hope you loved today's video and unboxing. I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.